Morning, second graders. Today we will be working on adding numbers. You're going to complete workbook page 337. You can, optional is page 338. And then IXL A10, skip counting puzzles. And then again, optional extra math. So if we look at the workbook page 337, you are going to add these numbers. 200 plus 200 is 400. 200 plus 20, 220, and so on. And then optional are the story problems on page 338. Then you are going to, oops, that's language arts for the last day of school. Oops. Then you are going to log into IXL A10. It says Zane skip counted by 10 beginning at 30. Could he have said 45? So if he's skip counting 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, could he say 45? No. Hannah skip counted starting at 5 until she reached 55. Could she be counting by 5s? Yes, because we know all of our count bys of 5s end in 0 or 5. And then go ahead and continue. Let me know if you have any questions on your math work today.